Hello everyone, this is Anudeep, Kakumanu. I'm here to demonstrate app developed for the 6138 CPSC 6138 project. This is bus reservation system. I'm joined by.
Charan.
So this project is bus reservation app where we find people frequently traveling through bus. So when they want to reserve a bus, they have to go to the store or visit their website and all. And a few of the apps doesn't even have a layout for selection. They can't choose which seat they want to sit in. So this is one of those particular cases where we try to provide a solution with by giving a layout option and for the customer to choose, for the traveler passenger to choose. So the main anyone who wants to travel can use this app, and he is the main stakeholder. Um, uh, of course, the bus companies also stakeholders where they can provide the routes, travel dates, etc., and operate operations, etc. And the scope of our project is a user registration, which is done once per installation, login, ticket booking, retrieving of all the tickets booked by the user, and canceling the ticket. So we have done this project on Windows 10 for Android OS. Of course, we use Java 1.8 XML and database. We use this SQLite, and we have done this in Android Studio. And the app which we created runs on Marshmallow, that is API 23. Yeah, and let me show a simple flow of the project. Then we can in the presentation. Then we can see a demo. So first time, so the user registers the app for the first for when the user installs the app for the first time, he is prompted with a registration page where a user provides a password and a confirm password. So there are some basic validations to this page where user have to type both of them. He cannot leave them blank, or and both of them have to match. And then when he clicks the register, he is redirected to a login page where user logins with the same password. And this is the page user gets when he opens apps from the next app from the next time. After that, after a successful login, he is redirected to a home page. A home page contains a navigation slider. Navigation slider has a book ticket, control ticket, and a retrieve ticket options. These are the three main options where user can use. And user book ticket contains a source, destination, and a calendar view, and a search button where on selecting the source, the destination is dynamically filled with all the destinations that are available for that source, and user can book a ticket a day later from today, or from the current date, or day later. So he can book tomorrow if he's booking tomorrow's date. He's booking for today if he's booking for today. And then on hitting the search button, the user is given a layout with a list of all the buses available and the timings which the bus is available. On clicking the desired bus, a user is prompted with a seat layout where user can select a seat. On selecting a seat, user books the ticket. Once if a seat is selected for the particular bus, he cannot if he tries to search again for the same bus, the selected seat will be grayed out, and he cannot select the same date, same seat for the same bus on the same date. So, and then on the ticket page, all the information of his bus details are showed, and a toast message is displayed that ticket is booked successfully. Then the other option in the navigation control is the retrieve ticket, where user retrieves the ticket, where all the bookings, all the user bookings for the will be showed. And on clicking the ticket, on clicking on the list, he can see the ticket. Then a cancellation of the ticket, user can provide the ticket ID and hit cancel. Then a toast message appears that ticket is cancelled, and when he goes back to his current bookings, that is retrieve ticket, he cannot see his ticket. This is our project, and if ticket is not cancelled successfully, then a toast message is shown that ticket is not cancelled. This is our short presentation, and we will move on to the demo.
Yeah, coming to the demo of the project, I'll run the application and I'll show you the demo. We are running the project on the API 24. Uh, User prompts with the registration page at the first time. For the first time, users needs to register on the application. Uh, if there are no details given, it will ask for it will show a message like to enter the password, and if we give any mismatch of the passwords and the password and the confirm password, it will also show an post message like both passwords should, do not match. So I'll be giving both passwords same. On registering on the page, user prompts with the login page, and again he needs to give the correct password. If the user enters the wrong password, it will show the password is wrong, incorrect in the toast message. So a correct password needs to be given. Once the user logs in, he would be navigated to the home page. From the home page, he can navigate to any of the controls like book ticket, cancel ticket, and retrieve ticket. So we will first move on to the book ticket page. Once we click on the book ticket page, we can get the data, the source data from the DB. We have used SQLite for it. From the SQLite, we'll get all the sources. We can click any of the source, uh, and coming to the destination, it will only show the particular destinations corresponding to that source. So once we click on any of the destination, then we need to choose the date. We can only choose the date for uh, once the user selects the travel date, and he needs to click on the search button, and it will show all the available routes for that particular source and destination. I can show you the different multiple routes. Here we can see there are two buses available for the particular routes. So user can choose the bus whichever he wants. So once he chooses the bus, there would be a seat layout prompting out, and user can select any of the seat. Once he has clicked on the seat number, the ticket would be booked successfully, and all the ticket details will be printed out. I mean, the ticket window will be shown there, and any other user wants to book the ticket on the same day they cannot book the same ticket because it has been grayed out. So user needs to click on the other seat. So now we have booked user has booked two tickets successfully. And coming to the retrieve ticket page, it will show all the tickets booked by the user. uh, if he wants to get the details of his ticket, he needs to click on any of the tickets shown here, and it will prompt all the ticket details. And there is one more functionality, cancel ticket. If the user chooses to cancel the ticket, he needs to give the ticket ID and select the cancel button, so that the ticket would be cancelled successfully. If any ticket ID which is not with his if the ticket ID is not valid, it will show an message like ticket is not cancelled because it's not his ticket ID. So we can check. So we can check on the retrieve ticket page. The ticket has been successfully cancelled. We are deleting the ticket here when the user clicks on the cancel button.